Welcome to Python Basics Tutorial Part 4, Python Functions. A function is a block of code which will be executed whenever called. A function can take 0 or more parameters and may or may not return data. Parameter is the data which is being sent to the function from program. Function is represented with def function name followed by parenthesis. Parameters are specified in the parenthesis separated by comma. If you want to send arbitrary number of parameters to a function, use asterisk followed by parameter name. This parameter is available as tuple to the function. Parameter and argument are often used interchangeably. Both represents the data that is passed to a function. Usually, parameter is represented in the function definition whereas argument is represented in the function call. Asterisk args is used to pass arbitrary number of parameters to a function. Args is available as tuple here. Double asterisk quargs is used to pass arbitrary number of keyword parameters to a function. Quargs is available as a dictionary here. Python has a set of built-in functions which can be used wherever necessary in a program. Few of the commonly used built-in functions are listed here. Notice, input function is used to get input from user through standard input device. A lambda function in Python is an anonymous function that is represented as a single expression. A lambda can take any number of parameters. Python modules are py files which contains a set of functions or variables. Steps to create and use a module are: create a file with required functions and save it as a py file. Now import the module into your application using import statement. Use the module by its name or alias whenever a module is imported. An environmental variable named pythonpath is looked up by Python interpreter to check for the presence of the imported modules in various directories to load. Multiple modules can be grouped together as a Python package. Python has a set of built-in modules. Few of the commonly used built-in modules are listed here. Random module is used to generate a random number using a method named random. Re-module is used to modify the strings using the methods named split, sub and suben. Thank you. Please proceed to Python Basics Tutorial Part 5 Python Classes.